So, this video, the one that you're watching here, is going to be somewhat of a prelude to, like, a video I'm making. And the video that I'm making is going to involve all three of my 3.x machines and T variation. Now, I don't know when they'll be released, but right, so that concludes the MS-DOS portion, apparently. So we just hit enter, and is that it? Okay, just do. Don't crash. Okay, it doesn't crash. To continue, automatically attack SCSI and heat. Wait, does this require IDE instead? Don't tell me. No. Nah. File and IDE drive. That's the CD-ROM. Bus Logic SCSI host adapter. That's probably the hard disk. The IDE has okay. Alright. So, the disk is on the IDE, so that's great. Alright, enter continue. Alright. F8. No changes. Install. Convert. Convert to NTFS. WTSRVW. Wait, no. RV, yeah, okay. I don't know what that RV stands for, but I know that Windows, it stands for, like, Windows Terminal Server, and Windows Terminal Server. Okay, cool. Exhaustive secondary and examination. Microsoft. Wow. Yeah, we're just gonna do it for the sake of time. Shouldn't be that bad, right? Okay, tech setup. If there's a floppy disk, remove any disks from your CD-ROM drive. Okay, could have just said CD-ROMs, but okay, let's go restart. I have not installed Terminal Server before, so this is completely new to me. Preparing for installation. Oh, come on. Team Slashers. We're gonna have to go quick because shut up. Per seat? Okay, fine. Per seat? Terminal server desktops to connect to your terminal server. So I'm guessing we're just gonna type 3. You know what? We're probably gonna have to type in 10. Terminal standalone server. Okay, we're just gonna type in that. Do not create an emergency repair disk. Wait, hold on. No! I want games and Windows messaging. Oh yes. Yeah. That's it. That's absolutely it. All right, cool. What? Don't we need, like... Whoa, hold on. It's saying, like, installing like stuff. Is this on the hard disk? Oh shit, yeah it is. Yeah, it is from the hard disk. Alright, qme.exe. Restarting the oh my god. Alright, after a lengthy trying to install services on here, I finally got it. Because apparently, for whatever reason, I'll explain it short for you guys. TLDR, Terminal Server does not want the normal 4.0 service packs. Probably because they're a different breed or whatever. But, yeah, because of that, I had to go scouring the internet for one, and honestly, like, I ain't deleting this, okay? Well, I have him, but, yeah, it's here. Get connected, not connected to the internet. Fine, connect using my local area network. Is that mail? And there it is. Right on server 2.4.0. Okay.
And that's not what we're having. She's more referring to
there. Yeah, let's go. Google. Stretch desktop wallpaper. Alright, yeah. So we're just gonna call it success.
I told you where he was.
I know. I was just saying last time I saw him, he was there.
Alright, peace.